Hello friends! Have you ever wondered how the blankets that protect millions of people from the cold are produced? In this factory, seemingly ordinary sheep wool undergoes an incredible transformation. This process, combined with massive machinery, continuous production lines, and the craftsmanship of our masters, is truly magical. Each fiber is individually processed into soft, durable blankets. As you watch, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of a massive production line. Pure cotton, harvested from the fields, is first turned into yarn and then woven into fabric by massive machines. Dyes where colors explode, laser-like cutting machines, and incredibly fast sewing lines that assemble thousands of pieces in minutes. Every detail is meticulously crafted. The result? Breathable, comfortable, and durable cotton t-shirts worn by millions around the world. Crocodile skins are first subjected to special treatments to make them flexible and durable. Soaked in limestone basins, the leather is then expertly tanned and dyed. This process gives each hide its unique texture and color. The pieces are then laser cut to the millimeter and then seamlessly assembled by master craftsmen. This results in unique bags worth tens of thousands of dollars, unique pieces that only a select few will ever own. Snakeskin is first subjected to special treatments to achieve a durable and flexible structure. The tanning stage preserves the leather's natural patterns and gives it a glossy finish. These leathers are then processed in various shades in dyeing workshops, ready for shoe production. The laser-cut pieces are placed in special molds and individually crafted and assembled by skilled craftsmen. The final touches include the sole and lining, creating elegant and luxurious snakeskin shoes. This process ensures that each shoe is a unique work of art. Raw animal hides are first transformed into a durable and flexible material through a tanning process. This process gives the leather both strength and flexibility. Then, in dyeing workshops, it is processed in various colors and tones to achieve a unique look. The leather, rolled out like fabric, is cut to precise measurements using laser machines, and each piece is crafted according to custom molds. Master tailors meticulously assemble the pieces, creating durable stitching. After zippers, buttons, and lining are added, a final polishing is performed. This results in leather jackets that embody both durability and elegance. Raw materials derived from petroleum derivatives are first purified through chemical processes and converted into polymer chains. This melt is then forced through giant machines to stretch it into thin strands. The fibers, which harden during the cooling phase, are then stretched to make them durable and flexible. The polyester, wound onto yarn bobbins, is ready for shipment to weaving or knitting factories. The result is a strong and lightweight synthetic fiber used in millions of garments, home textiles, and industrial products worldwide. Natural wool fibers are first cleaned and combed to a homogeneous state. Then soap, hot water, and pressure are applied to tightly bind the fibers together. During this process, the fibers are virtually interlocked, creating a solid surface thanks to the wool's natural structure. The layers are compressed using large presses to achieve the desired thickness and density. The cutting and shaping phase then begins, resulting in a durable, warm, and versatile felt fabric. Silk production begins with the fibers extracted from the cocoons of silkworms that feed on mulberry leaves. These cocoons are processed into long, fine silk threads. These threads are woven on precision looms into soft, lustrous fabric. Vibrant colors and patterns are then applied in dyeing and printing workshops. In the final stage, the edges are carefully hand-sewn or machine finished, creating silk scarves with an elegant, lightweight, and luxurious touch. Cotton fibers are first turned into yarn and specially colored with indigo dye. These yarns are then processed crosswise on looms to create durable denim fabric. Fabric cutting machines then prepare the pieces to fit the patterns. Master tailors meticulously assemble these pieces, reinforcing the seams and adding pockets, zippers, and buttons. Finally, techniques are applied to achieve different colors and effects through grinding, washing, and distressing. This results in durable and stylish jeans that have become a staple for millions. The fine, soft fleece of the cashmere goats is meticulously combed and collected. These precious fibers are then processed into yarn after cleaning and sorting. The yarns are then processed on precision looms to create a dense, durable, and exceptionally soft fabric. Dyeing and final ironing give the fabric its vibrant colors and smooth texture. Thus, cashmere fabric, which has become a symbol of luxury worldwide, emerges. Cotton, jute, sisal, or synthetic fibers are first spun into fine threads. These threads are then twisted in specialized machines to thicken and strengthen them. Then several layers of fibers are wrapped together to form sturdy ropes. During production, the tension and angle of rotation are carefully adjusted, resulting in a highly break-resistant structure. In the final stage, the ropes are cut, the ends are fixed, and they are made ready for use in various thicknesses and lengths. This is how ropes are produced, which are used in many areas, from ships to construction, for their durability. The production process begins with the casting of durable plastic or composite materials into molds at high temperatures. The molded parts are then cooled and then ground using precision machines to achieve a smooth surface. Shock-absorbing foam layers are added inside, protecting the head from impacts. Next, the lining, foam padding, and ventilation chambers are installed. The finishing touches are painting and coating, and the visor and straps are installed. At the end of production, each helmet undergoes rigorous testing to meet safety standards, ensuring helmets that are both stylish and life-saving are ready for use. Eraser production begins with the mixing of raw materials such as rubber or vinyl. Special additives are added to give these materials flexibility and durability. The mixture, kneaded at high temperatures, is then molded into long blocks. These cooled blocks are then cut into small rectangular or round pieces in cutting machines. Once the surfaces are smoothed, the erasers are packaged and ready for use in the packaging line. This seemingly simple process, in fact, ensures smooth erasing performance thanks to precise measurements and accurate blending. Belt production typically begins with tanning and flexing leather or synthetic materials. The leather layers are rolled out to the desired thickness on specialized machines and cut into long strips. The edges are then smoothed, and a painting and polishing process gives them a smooth, shiny appearance. Metal buckles are produced on separate lines and attached to the belt with reinforced links. In the final stage, stitching is done, holes are drilled, and the belts, having passed quality control tests, are packaged and ready for sale.